solving an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle gives a values that this side is equal to this size. All the three sides are equal. And we are to find the value of x and y. Find x and y. So this, if the three sides are equal, it's telling us that the 4x centimeter is equal to x plus y plus 5 centimeter is equal to 3y centimeter. So if you have three variables that they are equal, we all get this just because of the properties of a triangle that we call equilateral. So if we have A is equal to B is equal to C, you might decide to say that A is equal to B, or A is equal to C. A can be B, or A can be C, or B can be C, but you can form a two equations out of this. So let's try to analyze this. A is equal to B, A is equal to C. Let's try to use it in this equation. Let's write to have 4x is equal to x plus y plus 5. Let's try to collect the like times. We have 4x minus x minus y is equal to 5. 3x minus y is equal to 5. Now, let's try to call this equation 1 from the A is equal to B. Now, let's say A is equal to C. So, it means that 4x is equal to 3y. So, we have 4x is equal to 3y. Let's try to form an equation. 4x minus 3y is equal to 0. Equation 2. We are able to have deduced two equations from this problem. Let's try to combine the equation together to have 3x minus y is equal to 5. 4x minus 3y is equal to 0. So by applying the elimination method of solving a simultaneous equation, we observe that we multiply this by 3, this by 1. Let's see the output. By multiplying 3 by 3, we have 9x minus 3y is equal to 15. Let's multiply by 1. 1 times 4x, we have 4x. 1 times minus 3y is equal to 0. Now, if 9x minus 3y is equal to 15 and 4x minus 3y is equal to 0, so we have two methods in simultaneous equation to use. We have elimination method and substitution method. So at this junction, let's try to use elimination method because we are able to multiply by 3. So by the time we subtract, we're able to see that this will give you 5x minus 3 minus to give you minus 3 plus 3y. So this will become 0. 15 minus 0, it will be 15. So we have 5s is equal to 15. S is equal to 15 divided by 5, which is equal to 3. So telling us that x is equal to 3. And we're able to know from equation, what form equation 2 says that 4s is equal to 3y. And we know the value of s to be 3. We have 4 onto 3 is equal to 3y. So therefore, we have 12 is equal to 3y. So y is equal to 12 over 3, which is equal to 4. So s is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. So let's cross check. Maybe everything will be the same now. Now from here, our 4x will give us 4x will be 12 because s is 3. So let's try to clean here. This will be 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter. So now let's try to add this together. Our s is 3. So 3 plus 4 to give us 7. 7 plus 5. The total here will give us also 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter. So let's also try to find the value of this side. 3y. And our y is 4. So 3 times 4, this will give us 12 centimeter. So we are now able to prove that this triangle, it is an equivalent, it is an equilateral triangle, telling us that our answer is correct. So now don't forget to subscribe to this channel and follow us in our YouTube channel and Facebook page for more of these interesting topics in maths and the simple and the easier way to solve a mathematical problems and question. I appreciate your time for watching this video.